My brother and sister, you don't need to have advanced skills to start earning $100 to $900 daily online. Today, you will discover in this video a proven blueprint with a step-by-step guide and a live support to help you succeed. This blueprint we are following can help you to take control of your financial future. If you are living overseas like me, this program is for you. Even if you are not living abroad, in any country you are living, anyone can do this business from anywhere. This is a global business. And I will show you inside the same blueprint how you can own some digital products like this that you can see on the screen, where you can own them and you can resell them and earn unlimited commission. These are 100% profit program or a business. This product that you can see, we have another product that is $900. So all these products you can resell them and earn 100% commission. And it is a one-time investment, and you can own this product and you can resell them over and over. And you will also get a system like this that can automate your online business, that will be selling and doing the telling for you on autopilot. This system can be out there working for you 24/7. So your business never sleep, and as long as you plug in your information, it is a ready-made for you. 95% of the work is done for you, and you just plug and play. Is easy and simple that anyone can follow. And you will also get in the same blueprint a community to join. You can be part of our amazing community of over 48,600 members. This is the best place to be. This is one of the best online business community that you can get started today. You can join, and you can also be learning and earning at the same time. This community goal is to create 1,000 six-figure income earner and a 1,000 millionaire. So we already have a lot of six-figure income earner. Even in this video, you will see a earning proof that I will share with you. You will see we already have another person just hit a six-figure income earner, over $100,000 earned in less than 1 year. And we also have a lot of millionaire also inside our community. We have millionaire in US dollar, and we also have millionaire in other country currency. So you could be one of them if you take action today. Please, anyone can do this. Is an online business. You only need 2 hours a day to do this. Inside our community, we have some classroom where you can see these are some of the training that we have inside, some faceless marketing that you can build your business on. Also, we always have also a 90 days video series going on, so where you can help, and it can help you to learn and also to develop your skills, and your personal development is truly amazing. And now let's see some earning proof or statement inside the community. And today is Monday, the 20th of January 2025. And my name is François. I'm currently living in Lisbon. I left my country a few years ago to look for a better life abroad, and I decided to start digital marketing to earn some additional income, because I know it's not easy if we rely on one income. So that is why I also encourage you to do the same. It can truly help you also. This is for everyone. Anyone can do this from any country. You can see this is a destiny, a process in our community that was 10 hours ago. And you can see here 10 hours ago in the win tab inside the community. She was able, she said yes, she's now officially a six-figure income earner. So she said she just did the number since starting her digital marketing journey this year, adding legacy builder. In May, she hit $120,000 over $120,000, as you can see here. So you can see, say praise below. So thankful. We also have Dorka here. She posted 2 hours ago. She just win a $100. That is a commission that she earned, and while she was sleeping, and she said the automation are working. Thankful at Michelle. You can see this is what you will also get, a business that can help you earn from $100 to over $900 per day. As you can see, $120,849 earned since May. That is in about 10 months time. You see, less than 1 year is possible with this program that I'm sharing with you today. And you can see, congratulations, and let's move on. Imagine becoming your own boss, where you will be working less and earning more income, all while having the freedom to live life on your own terms. That is what I am here to help you to achieve. And you can see here, Melina also posted, this is what she shared. She said, my mentee got her first $900 commission from Facebook. So she said, on her first day of posting, if video content is not working for you, please consider Facebook, she said. For me, one of my main struggles was creating script and staying consistent, and her message continues. You can see she's using also Facebook to do faceless posting. As you can see, it's working, and it can work for you also if you apply the step-by-step guide that we have inside. So individual results may vary, but it is possible to duplicate similar results or even greater than this if you apply the step-by-step guide provided. Larry posted also 11 hours ago, $900 sales also. So he got a $900 payment notification today while playing with his 3-month-old granddaughter. As you can see here. So it's possible. This program work for anyone if you are willing to follow the blueprint. And let's continue. I'm on a mission to empower you also to take control of your future. And my mission isn't just to help you to earn money, it is to help you build a lifestyle of freedom and fulfillment. This is about more than income, it is about creating a legacy for you and your family. If you are ready to turn your goal into reality, I am here to guide you every step of the way. As you can see here, James, this is what James said, $900. That was 7 hours ago that James posted here inside our community. You will get full access to our community if you get started. $900 a payment notification came while watching a training video. He said, I want to welcome and congratulate Carlos on becoming a legacy builder just in time for our 90-day success run. We are changing life, and it is the best. Elena, 16 hours ago, she made her monthly salary in only 5 days with this program. So she's very excited also. You can see here, she said, I have been doing this for just over a year now, and it still blow my mind that I make daily pay and work from the comfort of my home, and the best I get to have. And her message continue. We also have Jenny, 2 days ago, also was able to make her $900 sales. You can see here, she said she believed in herself and also believe in this program and the blueprint. So thankful for Michelle for giving us this amazing and a life-changing business opportunity. So this is what I'm sharing with you also today. You can do this from anywhere because it is a global business and it's possible. So these results are possible because of a proven system I am sharing with you today. If you are ready to take the next step, I am here to personally help you to get started. If you find this video helpful, please give me a like and also a comment in the comment section. If you would like to learn more, put the word blueprint in the comment section and I will send you the details. Also, if you look in the description box of this video, my website address is there also. It can take you so you can to learn more on how you can get started with this business. You can start your own international digital business today. I want to thank you for taking your time today to watch this video, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye for now and have a nice day. Thank you.